How to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started that how you can fix it. Simply tap onto the search bar over here and then you have to search for Bluetooth. So as you can see this option Bluetooth and other devices settings, simply tap onto it, and here you have to make sure that your Bluetooth device is turned on. So you just have to make sure that your Bluetooth device is turned on, and then you're good to go. From here at the search bar, now you have to search for services over from here, and then you have to scroll down and search for the Bluetooth audio gateway. Not this one. Simply tap onto the Bluetooth user support, right click on it, then you have to restart it. And if you have not started it yet, tap on to start and then restart it. And I'm gonna go tap on to properties, and from there you can see this block on recovery, etc. You have to enable actions for stops with errors, these options over here, and then you're good to go. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video, and let me know in the comment section that whether the solution was helpful or not.